These are the Homewee silicone oven mitts, and they're flexible and they work awesome. They have nice grips here and cotton on the bottom. They also have loops as well, so you can hang it up after use, and inside is nice and quilted and very comfortable to use. These are also rated for 450 degrees heat resistancy. Perfect for grabbing things out of the oven, or if you want to put some seafood to boil, this is perfect for crabs and lobster too. And look how nice these are. Now these are in black, but they have other colors to choose from as well. They also measure 13.7 inches, which is going to be great for protecting your hands as well as your forearms too from burns. Perfect from the oven to the air fryer and even the grill too. So I just cooked something, so let's grab it out of the oven. Just grab these out of the oven and works perfectly. I absolutely love these silicone gloves. Hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.